Weather with Lucy Martin. Hello.
Thank you, Sophie. Hello, good afternoon. A bit of a grey start to the day this morning in the south. Some patches of fog around this morning, but a bit of a contrast in the north. Brighter conditions here. This photo sent in by a weather watcher in Cumbria. As we move through the rest of the day today, we'll start to see some outbreaks of rain pushing in to the northwest of Scotland. That band of rain is going to push its way south and east as we move through the night, bring a spell of heavy rain for a time, some strong winds pushing into Northern Ireland and the far north of England into the early hours. Elsewhere in England and Wales, fairly cloudy with a few patches of mist and fog developing. So here we are at rush hour tomorrow. We'll see some good spells of sunshine in the clearance behind that front. One or two showers which could fall as snow over the ground. Cooler and brighter in Northern Ireland. And we'll see the rain sitting across Northern England and the far north of Wales. Further south, a cloudy start across southern and central England and Wales. Temperatures largely in the double figures, and there will be a few patches of mist and fog around that should lift as we move through the morning. Now, our weather tomorrow is going to be dominated by this cold front that's sinking its way south and eastwards. It's bringing that spell of rain for a time, but by the time it gets to the south, it should be fairly light and patchy. But also behind it, we're starting to drag in some colder air, replacing that milder air in the south as it moves through towards the southeast. So turning cooler as we move through Thursday and into Friday as well. So that weather front continues to sink its way southeast through the day tomorrow. Behind it, starting to see some brighter conditions. One or two showers in the far north that could fall as snow over the hills and some strong gales. It will brighten up for a time over southern and central England and Wales before that weather front moves in later. But a bit of a contrast to our temperatures tomorrow. In the clearance behind that front, temperatures largely in the single figures. In the south, though, before it clears, we could see highs around 14 degrees Celsius, so a bit above average for the time of year. And finally clears out overnight tomorrow night, though, clearing the south coast. High pressure pushing in. You can see some fairly tight isobars in the north, though, so still some strong winds. But it does mean that a chilly start to Friday. Many of us could be waking up to a touch of frost again first thing. A bit of a shock across England and Wales, where it's been fairly cloudy and mild. We'll see some good spells of sunshine, though, and a few showers just pushing into the far north and west, I think later in the day into Northern Ireland and into the far north of England as well. Temperatures, though, across the board back into the single figures, so feeling a bit cooler. And that takes us into the weekend. It will be mostly dry. There will be some cold and bright weather around, but seeing some rain pushing in from the west later, although a bit of uncertainty, so stay tuned to the forecast.
Lucy, thank you. A reminder now of our main story.